All right, bear with us a little bit more. We're almost done destroying this truck. We're actually gonna bring it back. We just had a little fun along the way. So hang in there, guys. It's coming. You guys are gonna love this transformation. All right, we showed you how to polish this. So now we're gonna sand it, like actually sand it for real this time. I've never used this and I'm not a painter, so let's just see how it works. I should probably get a mask. All right, now that we're all masked up, let's keep going. All right, when you get close to the light, it's okay, just go ahead and hit it with the sander. You want it to kind of melt a little bit, get in those edges. Like once you kind of smell that burning plastic, it's probably good. Yeah, so like right there, I'm kind of smelling it. It's time for it to stop. We won't bore you with the rest, but we're gonna keep chugging along here. We'll put it on a time lapse. There we go. That's it. Not bad. Now you just clear coat it and you're ready to go. Not bad after a day's work. Oh man, look at this scratch. I don't know if you guys can see that, but who keeps doing this? Man, those door handles look sweet. Oh, almost forgot. Sometimes you gotta take the tape off. It's a good tape job. Remember, always tape your keyhole. Dang, those door handles look amazing. I'm so glad we're professional. We spray in the lines. So guys, we're gonna remove some emblems. Nothing real fancy, but basically put some heat on it, pop it off. There you go. There we go. Heat can be your best friend with this. There. Then we'll get some stuff, clean that up. On to the next. That's easy. All right, there's a lot of different ways to take these stickers off. I like the eraser. It goes pretty quick. Just hook it to a drill. Don't worry about that paint, it'll buff out. And then you usually take some lacquer thinner, but this has a Bondo patch right there. No, maybe it doesn't. Yeah, we'll sand it later. Works a lot better on factory paint, not crappy paint. Huh, there you go. And you always do that when you're done. It's not supposed to smoke like that, so I don't know what he put on this. previous owner. Yeah. I've never had a car smoke like that when I do this. All right, guys, we thought the cameras were working when we were taking off the running boards and the fender flares. They didn't. We lost the footage, but you'll get to see the end result. I wish we would have caught that footage. Man, it was a freaking nightmare. The bolts would loosen up, but the brackets that held the bolt in were these cheap brackets, and they didn't come loose. Usually running boards, it's just a couple bolts to remove. These brackets snapped, and then we had to go figure out how to cut these bolts at the angle that we were at. Was not easy. So there's an update. Sorry we missed the footage. It was a train wreck. I wish we would have got it for you, but we missed it, so there we go. Don't laugh, guys, but we made a lot of progress. Today's progress: we painted the back window and took off the running boards. Don't laugh, that's literally all we got done today. There were some issues.